here? Or should I do it here? Or should I do it like in the middle here? Really? Do you think I can drill into this? I think so. Comes with a little. I've been filming this video on my phone and I kind of like the quality. This corner I've been kind of working on because I put this big mirror up I can show you guys, and it's been working well for like taking outfit photos. And I know that sounds so dumb to make my house look good for Instagram, but a part of my life, and I've kind of accepted that the rest of the living room is overrun by toys and such. But I have a package right here from Desenio, so I want to say thanks so much to Desenio for sponsoring this video. I'm going to tilt you guys down so you can see. I originally wanted to paint the kitchen white and this room white, and maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. It's like a cream in this room and the kitchen's green. And I'm so happy that I didn't paint either white. I've realized that I just do not like white, but you see it so often on like Pinterest and people having like all white everything that it can be really intimidating to pick out a color for one, and then also paint an entire room a color, even if it's a cream like this. And now this room, because my couch is beige, it feels so stark here that I really need to put up some hints. Luckily, Desenio's got some with like frames and all that kind of stuff. You guys know I love Desenio. I picked out some artwork. I picked these out so long ago, and I just haven't opened them because I wanted to open them on camera for you guys. But I picked out some artwork also for Lou's room, so we can show that as well. Her room, like a nursery, everyone always says it looks cute right before baby comes, and then baby comes and just never expect it to look like that again. And her nursery at my parents' house that like she didn't use, but you know, it's still there for when she starts spending the night at my mom's house or whatever she ends up doing when she's a little bit older. That nursery turned out so cute, and it is kind of already not as cute as before. And then here, she's already 4 months old when we moved in, so like the nursery never looked cute at our new house. Artwork always does help it out. You guys know I have Desenio prints already at the studio, and I was gonna take them all and bring them here, but I was like, I got those for the studio. Let's get some new stuff for the house.
So use the code LANYXSUMMER for 45% off on your prints and 10% off on frames. It's valid until midnight on July 10th. I feel like that color actually looks good there, like a pastel. It's just not big enough, so I need to find something huge to put there. But like this color scheme is pretty good. If you guys have seen my nursery remodel, whatever, renovation, that's the same print. I like it so much that I got it for Lou's room here. And I actually love how these like chartreuse pillowcases look with the super traditional carpet. I can't get that dog to move, but you see, I just need more color on that wall there. And then like this is reality. So let's go see where these other frames can go that I got. And I accidentally got an extra. I'll just have to order another print. Yeah, and then also I want to zhuzh up this space. My issue is I don't have trinkets. I was talking to Amanda about this. Even on this, I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. Like, it's just filled up with super random stuff that I don't, like, I'm not obsessed with really any of it. How it is,
And like this just turns into like a catch-all. We've got the air purifier, which I refuse to let go. I've been kind of putting my bags in this bigger bag. How to go about this? Do I want to hang out my Ernie? Put this here maybe? I don't know. I think that looks better.
Like this is what it turns into because this is like stuff that already doesn't fit her. We always have wipes and diapers, constantly dirty clothes, and then there's nothing on the walls besides this little thing that I hung up that I do think that this is really cute. I need to hem those curtains, the blackout curtains, because even behind them, I just don't open them. Because that's what it looks like behind them. So that's why it's like weirdly lit in here. Yeah, but this is Facebook Marketplace. I don't remember where that's from. And then that was my old crib. What do we think? The little strawberry there? Or, oh my God, that is not how it looks in real life. It's coming up on camera. That's too funny. That looks disgusting. I swear that's not what it looks like in real life. Something about the camera. I'm gonna have to bleach that, or we could do this one. I love this frame. But I think that's almost too big for that area, and we can do this one on this big wall. I might not hang up anything permanently because like I can't decide. This is the room that needs more color, not good. So I could do like a full gallery wall behind this one and not just get like huge print. And then I'll just get a few more frames from Desenio because I also got this one that I love all the floral stuff. I could put this one on this wall, but is that too weird? I can't decide these things. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna discuss with Brandon and probably whoever helps me put these up. Because this is taking too long for me to decide. I'm just running around with these prints because then also I think that in the kitchen, this could be good somewhere. Something could go up here because the ceilings are so high. Does that look dumb? Or it could go above the fridge. Is that bad? I think it's pretty cute up there. I don't know. This room didn't need any more color. Like, it's so colorful. But I like it there. So I've got a lot to decide and I'm just like tearing the house apart. I need more trinkets. That's what I need. So I might take you guys with me to the thrift. I wanted to show you guys this area because this is gonna be like a booth, like something like this. Inspo, what do we think? I can't wait because right now it's just too cluttered and I obviously don't like the red chairs with like the pink kitchen. And then this room is the real disaster. I would love for this to become like the playroom, the designated playroom. So I have that Togo couch. I just don't think it would fit through any of our doors in our house, and that's why I don't have it here yet. Also, I painted, well, I didn't paint it, but we painted the trim of this like a greeny yellow ugly color. I think I want it to be baby blue. I think that'll help. But then is it too funky? I don't know. Because if I can get Lou's toys into this room and out of the other room, that'd be good. I think we want to put a TV on this wall though, because that way you can watch TV while you're sitting in the kitchen. Sorry, we're gross. But then this is where I struggle because then I have to put a chair here, a couch here, and then you can't open this closet door. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I know the TV should go here and then you put a couch here, but we don't even have to put a TV in this room. So maybe until, I don't know. You wanna go outside? Got the Our Place little oven because this beast isn't working yet. My dad said he can fix it, but this one you can like bake, and it's also like a Japanese toaster where you can put the water in it. So that's pretty cute, but I thought it was a lot lighter. It looks lighter on camera. I think I should have gotten the navy blue, so that's upsetting. Okay, I decided nothing. See, this could be cute here. Like, don't even get me started on this whole thing behind me. This lamp
It was my mom's. I stole it. It was just in our basement though, so. Yeah. Like, do I put stuff above it? Because this ceiling is so high on this side of the wall. On this side of the wall it's not. So I feel like I should at least exaggerate it or like show it off. Maybe just something little above here could be cute. I need to go first. That's all I keep saying. And I don't have any table lamps. I had 2 glass ones. Actually, I had 3 glass ones. Brandon broke one with a soccer ball because he's a child. And then the other 2, I'm like, I'm not gonna put up my glass lamps, my vintage IKEA glass lamps for Brandon to break or Lucy to break. So there's that. And then I got this other really cool vintage lamp from my friend Hannah. I don't want to put it out here because again, I'm scared of it breaking, and the bulbs are like really cool and not just ones you could go out and buy. I think I'm gonna put it out at the studio. So there's that. Yeah, I need to go to the thrift store. The last time you guys saw the house, the bench was like at the front. So yeah, we just got a lot to do, okay? A lot to do.
You got it, beautiful, beautiful.